Buenos días, niños. ¿Cómo están todos? ¿Cómo amanecieron? Muy bien. Vamos a comenzar el día repasando nuestro mes de mayo. So we're going to start our day going over the month of May. So let's get started. Estamos en el mes de mayo, en la época de primavera. Muy bien. Vamos a decir los días de la semana juntos. Let's go ahead and say the days of the week together. Domingo, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes y sábado. Muy bien. Ahora vamos a contar cuántos días tenemos en el mes. Let's count how many days we have in the month so far. 1, 2, 3, 4 y 5. Y hoy es 6. Muy bien. Ahora vamos a contar cuántos días falta para el día de las Hoy es 6. ¿Y qué día de la semana es hoy? ¿Quién me puede decir? Ayer fue martes. Y hoy es miércoles. Muy bien. Y mañana es jueves. Ahora vamos a contar cuántos días faltan para el Día de las Madres. Now we're going to count how many days we have left until Mother's Day. So vamos a contar juntos. 1, 2, 3 y 4. So aquí abajo voy a poner el número 4. Ok, muy bien. ¿Qué más? Ahora vamos a repasar los meses del año. Now let's just go over a little bit of the months of the year. Ok, ahora vamos a repasar los meses del año. So let's say them together. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre y diciembre. Now let's say them in English. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Okay, perfect, guys. Now we're going to get started with our activity for today. Okay, boys and girls, so let's go over our words of the week for our spiders. Okay, here we go. Spiders in English, and in Spanish you say las arañas. Invertebrates. Invertebrados in Spanish. You gotta remember that they have no backbone, so they're easily could get into small places. Pueden meterse en lugares chiquitos. Web in English, and in Spanish you say telaraña. This is the pedipalpos of a spider. In Spanish you say pedipalps, or you could also say palps. You gotta remember that this is like their teeth, their fillers where they eat from. This helps them eat or make their web. Okay. Y todas las arañas tienen 4 a 8 ojos. Each spider is different, and they have between 4 to 8 eyes. This is the cephalothorax, and in English you say cephalothorax. This is the head and the chest of a spider. So that's all for right now. I know these words have been a bit tricky. It's been very tricky for me, and we'll go ahead and start with our activity for today. Okay, boys and girls, so I have this activity here. I'm not sure if Miss Dora sent it to you. If she did, great. If she didn't, then we will do it from scratch. When I say from scratch is that I'm going to use a white paper and I'm going to do the same addition problems that are here. So on the top of the paper, if you do have this paper, I wonder if I can move this up. Okay. Would it show both? Yes. Okay. In the top of the paper, it says name. So go ahead and write your name if you haven't done so already. Write your first and last name. So it says, the instructions say, you're going to need, okay, solve each equation. Use the color key to color spiders accordingly to the sum. Now, you're going to need your paper, a pencil, and you're going to need some crayons for this. If Miss Laura gave you the paper. If she didn't give you the paper, then we're just going to write everything out on a sheet of paper. Okay? So we're kind of going to do both at the same time. So the first problem says 3 plus 4 equals, right? So I have 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. Plus 4. 2, 3, 4. How many do I have all together? So let's go ahead and do that. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we're going to write the number 7. And here we're going to write the number 7. Okay, the next problem says 4 plus 4 equals. So let's go ahead and do that. 4 plus 4 equals. Now, I want you to try and write the numbers down that you see so that you could practice your numbers as well. Okay? So we have 4 plus 4 equals, we don't know the answer. So let's go ahead and start counting together. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 circles there. We're going to do another 4 circles here. So 4 plus 4, how much do you have all together? So let's go ahead and count all the circles that we have in the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's go ahead and write 8. Remember, 8 looks like a snowman. So it's a circle over a circle. And we're going to write the number 8 on the paper, just in case Miss Laura sent it to you. So the next problem is 5 plus 4 equals, so write our 5, then we move it down and get them a big belly plus 4, which is a L and a dash and a line behind it, right? So 5 plus 4 equals, they haven't given us the answer, so let's try to find it ourselves. 5 circles and 4 circles is how much? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So it's right 9, which is a circle and a line right behind it. Okay? Now let's move on to the next one. It says 5. Remember, you do a dash, a line in the back, and a big belly, plus 2. Remember, 2 looks like a Z, right? Equals, they haven't given us the answer. So let's go ahead and do it together. You have 5 circles and 2 on this side. How much do you have all together? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is a line and a line down, like a 1. Okay? Oh, I forgot to put a number 9 here. Sorry, boys and girls. Okay, so we're moving on. We have 3 plus 5. So it's 3 plus 5 equals, so it's 1, 2, 3, and 5. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8. Circle and circle. Okay? So 3 plus 5 is 8. So we're going to go ahead and write the number 8. So let's move on to the next one. 4 plus 3 equals, we don't know yet, so let's go ahead and write our circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So 4 plus 3 equals, we don't know the answer, so let's go ahead and count all of our circles together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we're going to do our dash and our line down. And that's the same answer you're going to write up here. Now we're moving on to the next one. We have 1 plus 6. How much is that? So we have 1 circle plus 6 more. How much do we have altogether? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? We're going to put our 7 up here. Now we're going to do 6 plus 3 equals, we don't know yet, so let's go ahead and draw our circles to make it easier for us. So we have 6 circles here and 3 over here. So how much do we have all together? So we have 1, count with me, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you do 9, it's a circle and a line right behind it. Okay, so we're moving on. I have 8. Oh, this one. I'm gonna write the number 9. Okay. 8 plus 1 equals, so it's 8. Okay, so you have 8 on this side and 1 on the other, right? So how much do you have all together? Let's go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and now we're gonna move on. We're gonna write our number 9 here. And now we're gonna move on to our last one, which is 7 plus 1 equals, we don't know yet, so let's go ahead and do our circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 1 on the other. So here you have 7 circles, and here you have 1. How many do you have all together? So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. So that's it. So those of you that didn't have this paper, this is the right way to do it. The ones that do have this paper, okay, now there's another activity after that. So I'm gonna move this to the side. And now it said, solve each equation, which you already did. Use the color key to color the spider according to the sum. So here in the bottom, you see that if you have the answer 7, like for example, 3 plus 4 equals 7, you have to color it orange. For example, 4 plus 4 equals 8, here's the answer 8, you color it brown. 5 plus 4 equals 9, you gotta color it purple. So let's go ahead and do that. We need our crayon box for this. So it won't be tricky. We're gonna go ahead, brown, where is my pen? Purple. Okay, so to make it easier, if you had 7, this color is orange. If you had 8, the color is brown. And if you had 9, the color is purple. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Answer for the first one was 7. Okay, the next one is 4 plus 4 equals 8, and 8 on the chart it shows as brown. So we'll go ahead and do that one. Okay, we have, the next one is 5 plus 4 equals 9, and 9 on the chart it shows as purple. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so the next one shows 5 plus 2 equals 7. We go back to the chart, and 7 equals orange. So we'll color this one orange. Okay, the next one shows 3 plus 5 equals what number? 8. So 8 equals brown. Okay, so the next one shows 4 plus 3 equals 7. So what color is 7? Orange again. So I have my orange. Color in those legs. Okay. Okay, the next one says 1 plus 6 equals 7. So 7 is orange again. So let's go ahead and get our orange. I already had mine in my hand. Okay. The next one says 6 plus 3 equals 9. So 9 is purple, and I'll get my purple out. Color it in. Okay, now we're moving on. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 9 is purple again, so let's bring our purple back. Okay. And color in the face. Okay, and our last one says 7 plus 1 equals 8. 8 is brown. Get our brown out, and we'll color it in the best we can. You guys are doing a great job. Okay, I'm very proud that you guys are practicing all your numbers. Practice makes perfect. Let's see. Color this in. And we're done. Okay, boys and girls, so that's our activity for today. And we'll see you tomorrow.